ran in the dance, step apply the pressure to the lifeless. Look, we in a crisis, so please understand this music shit's my life. So take it as fair warning, nigga, it's high, cause I turn it to a motherfucker.
Be right here. Oh my God!
Oh, dirty!
You want this dirty law. You want this shit. You want it. You need it. You want this dirty law. You want this shit. You want it. You need it. Don't need muscles cause Barry got a gun. Nighttime still blaze like sun. With the residents, worried by none. Chilling with police, but drinking should approve fun. Tucker is better cause the dick's well done. Feel good girl, let your taste when I come. Baby, I'm the man with the flame well hung. Cause a squirrel is a squirrel till a squirrel get a nut. Get a butt like an ashtray. Pour it out, I eat her. Tell her 6-pin caller, saying now I wanna meet her. In the ass to some penny bath. After smoking glass, fuck her fast like a rabbit. I'm a sex fiend addict. I'm a sex fiend addict. I'm a sex fiend addict. You want this good looking motherfucker? I want a good looking motherfucker, girl. You want this dirty law? You want this shit? You want it? You need it.
Animal House, radio. And didn't I tell you before we did all this shit? No, see the drinking hour? That's what we're gonna do, the drinking hour. Check that microphone, baby.
Let's go crazy, man.
There you go. Alright. Okay, let me know.
Go to the volume like real low. Everybody kind of low because we need the volume low.
Ain't nobody talking while I'm talking, fellas. So shut the fuck up.
Go take this guy out of here. Alright, man, here we go.
Instrumentals top rank. Just try to be professional in the hour or two.
This is the unprofessional
Yeah, you
hour.
fucked that. If you're really coming for like a professional interview, you gotta get here before 10. Oh shit. Yeah,
You missed it, man.
I'm late. 10 to 11.
9 to 10 was sobriety. 10 to 11 is going DB.
Yeah, hey. Yeah, we're just warning you beforehand if we're slurring or we ask you the same question 5 times. Hey, I'm with y'all, man.
Ray already came in there kind of slurring, man.
I'm with y'all right now. It's all good.
Ray and Shorty, man.
Big up, man. What's up, y'all? Let them know who you guys are. Introduce yourself, man.
Yo, peace, man. It's great son-in-law. You know what I'm saying? The zookeeper, Brooklyn Zoo, the host and representative of Wu-Tang, and all 36 chambers. You know what I'm saying? I got Shorty shit stain with me.
Quiet on the set, quiet on the set.
Everything, SSS.
Alright up.
Hey, Zookeeper, can we get...
Working on some work, man.
Oh, man, yo. Hey, yo, just keep me busy, you know. Staying on top of everything. Good word is, we got a biopic, you know what I'm saying, on Old Dirty Bastard. You know what I'm saying? We got Eddie Griffin playing OD, beat, you know what I'm saying? It's announced right now.
Quiet on the set, please.
Yeah. Quiet on the set.
You want to drink and get loud, go in the back or go in the front.
Yeah,
Get high in the front,
yeah.
smoke crack, whatever.
Yeah, man, take it to the back and smoke some Shazam. It's all good, yo, but check it out, yo.
It happens, whatever it is what it is.
You know, whatever floats your boat.
That's right, man. That's a boat floating session over here, man.
For those that don't know your relations with the Wu, break it down, man.
The Wu-Tang, man, Wu-Tang is like the father of rap, you know what I mean, out here, man. You know, I've been a part of the group, you know what I mean, like, I'm affiliated Brooklyn Zoo, the Old Dirty Bastard Brooklyn Zoo. We're the first, you know what I'm saying, chamber that came out of Wu-Tang, you know what I'm saying, then Sons of Man and Killer Army, and so on and so forth. But, you know, we here, man, you know,
Brooklyn Zoo!
Yeah. Straight up. So let them know about the movie. So is it gonna drop or what's it working out? Because there's actually a product already out, right?
Yeah. We got the.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, we got one documentary out right now. It's called Dirty. One word can change the world.
Yeah.
You know,
that's available at Target, like all main
everywhere.
retail,
Target,
yeah.
Best Buy, Blockbusters, Barnes and Noble.
If you don't know about that, like,
Netflix,
yeah.
you know, Hula, you know what I'm saying? You know, the bootlegger. Where's that?
Who's that? Movie
Where's
time?
that? Whoever got it, cop it, man. Cop it. Whoever
Is that
got
movie
it.
time in LA?
You know what I'm saying? You might see somebody on the corner selling them for $2, man. Get one.
Get one, man. Half off.
You know what I'm saying? For the people, for the people.
Can we get a shot of the W on the neck, man? Because that's really,
you'll
that's
follow.
solid,
I
man.
mean, basically anywhere. You know what I'm saying? And you know, like I said, like Walmart, Target, Best Buy,
Well, let them know a documentary. They all, because I know, I'm knowing about the project. I know that there's a lot of unreleased footage or footage that people didn't have access to, and let them know like how you had access to it. You know what I'm saying? Of all the films that you use. You know,
I'm family.
Like, so you let them know. Like I want them to hear it from you. Like,
basically, you know, Old Dirty Bastard. That's my cousin. You know what I mean? You know, and RZA, Jizza, my cousins. You know what I mean? The founders of Wu-Tang. So it was like, you know, when I did this movie, like all my family, you know, they had like little clips of birthday parties and you know, little outings and whatever. You know what I'm saying? So everybody pitched in. You know, Ray, so I got some footage over here. I got some footage over here. I'm like, yo, let me get that. You know what I'm saying? Put it together. You know what I'm saying? Let's make something happen. It's for the family. Because who know Dirty more than his family do? You know what I mean? The fans, you know what I'm saying, is what, you know, the media portrayed Dirty as being crazy dirty, like wild out dirty, like don't give a fuck about nothing to nobody. But then you got his family that, you know, he like a family oriented, he a righteous, you know what I'm saying, he love everybody, he'll give his shirt off his back to you, you know what I'm saying, he give kids money in the street, you know what I'm saying, like he'll do anything for anybody, man, and he love women. that was his like.
I heard you do too, man.
Yeah, I gotta stay away from that, man. A wise grass opera told me, don't chase women, chase money. Cause you chase the money, the woman gonna chase you.
That's right,
Wise man, a wise man.
Yeah. That's real shit.
But we got a feature film coming soon. You know what I mean? It's in development right now, and you know that's hard.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Even though, you know, it's like, you know all the elements is there, but you got like producers that did movies before and they very talented. You know what I'm saying? So now they gotta look at you and see your vision and be able to work with you and with your vision and bring your vision to life. At the same time, you know, focusing on what they crafted and what their specialty is. And you know, working together with a person like that is like it's unbelievable, you know. So I you know Robert Townsend. Shout out to Robert Townsend. You know what I'm saying? He was a producer, director of 5 Heartbeats. So you know, and we got Scott. We got Clinay, you know, Skyler. You know what I mean? We got a couple of producers up in there. You know what I'm saying? I'm the director. You know what I'm saying? We got
Shorty Shit's thing gonna come out in the movie.
Yeah, Shorty Shit thing, yeah, definitely, because he got a part in there, because it was us, it was Old Dirty Bastard, Brooklyn Zoo.
I got one question, man. How did you come up with that nickname, brother? Shorty, right here, I love that nickname. You know what? I swear to God, that's my favorite nickname in the whole fucking world. I promise everybody.
Yo, bust it.
That's my favorite fucking nickname.
You wanna know that story?
Yeah, we know. You
I gotta know.
Animal House
gotta
Radio.
know.
Story, yo. We was at Sons of Man 60-second assassinated house. It was me, Dirty, Shorty, 12 o'clock. Now Priest wasn't there. And me and Shorty, we goes out to go cop some beers and get some more blunts, you know what I mean? Cause we smoking blunts and beers. It's like in the early 90s.
Yeah.
And me and walking down the street, and we've been up like for 2 days in 60 crib with the put together equipment. We making music. And we niggas didn't wash up, brush your teeth, nothing. So this nigga started talking to me, and I'm like, yo, man, your breath smell like shit. I was like, hold on, man. I was like, yo, your breath smell like shit, you short, and I bet you got stains in your drawers. You know what I'm saying? So he started laughing, I started laughing, and that's how you got Shorty shit stained.
Yeah, I love that fucking. That's one of the hardest, craziest fucking nicknames I've ever heard in my life. You know what I mean? Because I got a few friends and they all have nicknames. You know what I mean?
Right,
that's my fucking favorite. Really, that's some hard shit.
Yeah. So how do you feel? You comfortable with the name?
Nah, I mean, I just want to stand out. But with a name like that, you gotta, you know what I'm saying? You just gotta be real ill with it. And my lyrics are so ill, so you know what I'm saying? I could call myself that.
Yeah.
Anybody can just call. You gotta be nice.
Yeah, not anybody can do that, man.
Yeah, you gotta be nice.
Shit.
Yo, shout out to Supreme, you know what I'm saying? To my big brother, Razor Sharp, you know what I'm saying? What's up, baby? And, you know, Killer Priest, Prodigal Son, all my brothers that's out here right now, Danny, everybody that's out here on the West Coast, man, you know what I'm saying? Much love. Y'all my family. You know, y'all know how it is, man. West Coast Killer Bees, man. That's how we do, you know what I'm saying? We out here right now, man, and we gonna
Are you coming to Cage vs. Cons?
Definitely, I'm there, man.
Are we getting drunk?
We gonna get torn down, man. I might want to get in the ring and shit, man.
I can't get as drunk as last time, though, man. I had a lot of negative feedback on me.
You still doing the fighting with the MCs, right? I want to fuck me an MC.
Yeah, we're gonna do Rap Wars soon. I want to get.
You know how these fake ass MCs
We need real ones that are really down to step in the ring and actually get down in the fucking, you know.
We'll set you up. I'll set you up with a match, man. So, you know,
set me up with a match, man. Yeah, man, I'm with it, man.
You train a month with a fucking samurai expert, and you bust some fucking heads open.
I got a Shaolin monk. I got a Shaolin monk. That's ill, right? He right out here too.
Oh, shit. That'll be like the Iron Fist.
Yo, what's up, Johnny? What's up, Johnny G? Named Johnny G. You got
any MCs out there that really have problems with people, call felony fights, and we're gonna set you up one-on-one in the fucking hectagon, octagon. You guys can go at it.
Whatever.
Yeah, stop the violence. Yeah, we ain't promoting violence, but if you like real gangster with that with the words and all that, and you want to call somebody out, just call them out.